Hey guys, well I would be using the mic, but apparently the mic isn't compatible with my phone directly via USB-C. I don't really know, so I'm going to have to get a little 3.5mm jack. Kind of annoying. So you're going to have to part with this audio, so sorry. So tomorrow I'm teaching at the London College of Garden Design, which is quite exciting. And I've been working on my little display of dimming and switching and boxes and stuff, so that's all prepped, ready to go in the car. We've already got a Henry Hoover in the back of the car, and we've got some ducting coming in about in the next 40 minutes or so that we can do the old plastic bag and string pull demonstration, which I thought would be quite fun. You can see some of the dimming we got here. We've got a Meanwhile LCM40, a ELT dimmer. There's also in there a dimmer inside. We got Wisebox, and what else is there? Wisebox, Kinetic, and in there's just a driver, bits and pieces. Yeah, the old ELT, we like that. So let's go and show some bits upstairs. Got my DSLR, and I'm connecting that to this HDMI lead that goes into a USB port to make my DSLR a webcam, because half the session's on Zoom, and it will be pointed at me, but I want to be able to show the viewers some of the stuff that's actually going on when we're doing some exercises. And we've got our garden lighting and design and construction course brochures with all bits and pieces about what we're doing there, all equipment boxes and everything in there. I've got silicone spray, Pratley boxes. There's tons and tons of content to this course, so it should be quite interesting. I had to pour an SWA resin joint earlier, just so that we've got something to show people. Yeah. As I say, I did get a DJI mic, but DJI, I keep saying DJI. I need that 3.5mm jack. So I've got one on me at the moment with my mic. I don't know if I can really show you that or not. There's the little transmitter, which is tiny, pretty awesome actually. But I can't actually hear the sound from it because I don't have the receiver, which if I unplug this, there you go, there's the receiver, and it's so it takes a USB-C or an iPhone jack or anything like that. But in my case, I think I'm going to have to use the out. No, sorry, the headphone. Yeah, out. Oh, hang on a minute. Yeah, no, the out. Yeah, absolutely, the out from the phone, from this into the phone to be able to record, and same with when I'm setting up the laptop there. So I love this case. It's all like pairs up, charges as you go in there, that pops in there, so I can leave that plugged in there. There's the iPhone one, there's one of the other receivers. As soon as you pull that out, it's automatically connected and ready to go. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I better show you this as well. Ready for Adrian. We've got a Blackmagic Pocket Cinema camera 6K Pro, and this just arrived, EOS 6D Mark II. We've also got a decent lens that's just turned up this afternoon as well. So this is all in prep for February, so it's a way away, but it's Black Friday deals, etc. Couldn't resist really. Anyway, that's basically our setup. We've got a little bit of news. So we're doing on the mezzanine floor, we're building some walls, like not like this, not as nice as this, but it's going to be OSB. I couldn't quite find, I wanted to do white, and I couldn't quite find something that was white and that was going to last a long time, not get scratched through the movement of stuff. So I thought OSB is pretty durable, and it's kind of that, like, I don't know, retro look. I don't really know how to describe it. One of my barbers that I went to had it all there, and I thought, it looked quite cool. So we're doing that so that we can have the powder coating on the mezzanine floor, leaving a space for another lathe on the ground floor, also shortening the distance between travel for the powder coated parts. I know the parts still have to move up from ground floor to mezzanine floor. There's not a lot we can do about that. But if we've got the powder coating right there, it gives us a bit more transparency on that process. And then we're going to put 2 powder coating booths up there. They're going to be smaller, but ones you can kind of step into, which I think is going to work better. That's the plan for the future. And we're also going to have a space there's going to be an office, Jordan's office, and potential admin assistant later on. and also a space for the assembly that is positive air pressure. Max will then be wearing white, so that we're really trying to keep the parts clean. So that's the plan. That's the plan, and that work is happening just before Christmas. So I will keep you up to date about that. Anyway, I've got to go. I'll see you guys later.